testing began in the U.S. in 1938. For 82 years, animals have been force-fed, injected, burned, poisoned, starved, brain damaged, incapacitated, and so many other things. Animals were given the right to live on this earth long before us humans arrived. Now we're coming into their so-called home and destroying their life. These animals are being held under their will and forced to go through these terrifying experiments, all for the benefit of the consumer. A very well-known industry plays a key role in these experiments: the makeup industry. They run tests on guinea pigs, mice, rats, bunnies, and even dogs. They insert chemicals into their eyes and on their skin. It's nothing but a life of suffering for them. Running these tests on animals is unfair because of how different they are from humans. Animals and humans react to things very differently. For example, penicillin is lethal to guinea pigs and hamsters, but has saved many humans' lives. They're not the same, and using animals as a research element is a form of unreliable data. Just because it passes the animal trial doesn't mean humans will be able to withstand the product, which could lead to harming humans as well. In order to fix these biological differences, there have been many discoveries of better alternatives and more to come. Some researchers have found lab-grown cells or computer models to run experiments on, or a first-hand human-based product, sheets of human skin cells, which would produce more useful results instead of the skin of an animal. If we focused on these alternatives more and kept working towards them, animal testing could be eliminated altogether. Just because animals don't have the cognitive ability, language, or moral judgment that humans do, does not mean they should be put in harm's way time and time again. It's still a life. We as humans have to think beyond ourselves. We have to hold ourselves and the businesses we spend our money at accountable for their ethical practices. If consumers demand that their products aren't tested on animals, it could help put an end to this cruel and inhumane study. Don't we owe that to these animals after all they've been through? So, what are we waiting for?